for my fundamentals of digital systems class. We were tasked with creating a 4-bit CPU, and so to just start at the very top, we have our program counter here. It's just a simple counter counting up from From 0 to the maximum of 8 bits, the maximum number that 8 bits can hold. And here we have just a simple ROM that we've programmed our instructions to. And so everything that you see here on this display will execute is from these simple instructions right here. And as we come over here, we can see that we have our data, our different addresses for the 3-port register over here. And we also have another program or another ROM right here for our opcode. So in our opcode, we have the ability to write to this 3-port register. We also have the ability to write to this display. This here is for our mux over here to allow us to decide which line is going to be active, and we're going to send that input to the output. So here we can have the choice of sending the data to the output from up here. We also have the ability to take whatever was on port A and send it back to the mux. That can be the data in that can be saved to another place. We also have right here the output of the ALU that we can also save into the 3-port register as well. Here we have our selector bit for our ALU that allows us, built into our ALU, we have a mux, and so we can choose between XORing, ANDing, ORing, or doing addition with a full adder. Along with our mux bit right here, we have a carry in for our full adder that allows us to decide between adding or subtracting. And yeah, that's my full CPU. And so over here we have a simple display, and so as I run the instructions, you'll see that my name will be on the display, and that we'll do some basic addition, multiplication, and we do that through just adding the same two numbers together. We also do some subtraction both with hardware and software subtraction. What I mean by that is we're using logic operations to do the same thing, to perform the same subtraction, but without a subtractor, essentially. And so here I have my auto tick set to 32 Hertz so that the screen will populate rather quickly. And as I click this, you'll see that the instructions are being executed, and there's my name, my favorite number. Here we're doing 4 plus 2, and there's our multiplication, there's our software subtraction, and then there's our hardware subtraction. And that's my full 4-bit CPU.